pylint duplicate code false positive. I have this code in many of my Python files for a project. Pylint complains that which, while true, is utterly irrelevant. The from future lines are there to prevent compatibility regressions from Python 2 to Python 3. As such, pylint should not complain about them being similar in different files. Is there a way to stop pylint doing that? I know about pylint column disable equals duplicate code, but that will disable it for the whole file because of the import scope. However, I do not want to disable it for the whole file.
Pylint similarities config. Try changing the ignore imports in the similarities section of your pylint config file. Default pylint.
If you want to remove the false config subscribing